it is always an important reminder for those of us in the Marianas that the majority of the Chamorro people do not live in the Marianas anymore. The majority of the Chamorro people, Manyasaga, Gi San Lago, Gi Todui Lugat Siha, Gi Hilutanu. I bet you, Estatatungu, there are lots of Chamorros in San Diego, in Washington, in Texas. There's some Chamorros stationed in South Korea, of course. There's some Chamorros in the Middle East. I bet you there's some Chamorros that live in Mongolia too. There's probably some Chamorros in every corner of the world right now. And one of the things that has been beautiful to see as the diaspora of the Chamorro people has grown, as more people have left the Marianas, as there has been this brain drain, unfortunately, though, we have seen the Chamorro people, though, build up more cultural, civic, social, and political infrastructure in the diaspora to help sustain their communities.